Okay, moment of truth. Woo! It works! Yeah? Wow, I thought it was a goner for sure. I mean, there wasn't anything physically wrong, but it sure hit a lot of branches on its way down. Okay, let's go into sport mode and get some speed. Whew, okay, well, there was another tree. I think it's fine though. Going low now. Oop. Video signal is decreased in quality. It's a little bit harder to fly. I don't know why that was. Oh well. Well, so now we know the DJI FPV drone can really take a beating. Although I am very lucky because, oop, okay, I think we're going to land now because I want to talk a little bit about this. It's a little bit hard to talk and fly. Okay. What shocks me here is that there is absolutely not a scratch on this drone. It collided with at least a dozen different branches going through the trees there. It did land in the snow right between two puddles of water though, so that was a close call. I think the water damage would have done more to it than the branches. But yeah, seems to fly just fine, and that's kind of a relief. Thing is, I can't really fly, I can only fly so cautiously with it because you really have to get up a good turn of speed to get really good footage. So you want to be flying fast. And that means potential for crashes and destruction of drones. Anyway, I hope you found this video enjoyable to watch. You can consider it kind of a durability test of the DJI FPV. And thanks for watching. See you all again next time. Bye. Well, I guess we'll finish off with some more with another drone flight.